can I make my strep throat stop hurting? Ingredients: mint, parsley, green tea, ginger. Parsley is a herb that is commonly used as a garnish in cooking. It contains compounds that may have diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. Green tea is known for its high content of antioxidants and polyphenols. It may have mild anti-inflammatory properties and can potentially help soothe an upset stomach. Ginger has a long history of use for digestive issues, including stomach pain, nausea, and indigestion. It contains gingerol, a compound with anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties. Mint, peppermint, a type of mint, is often used to relieve digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and stomach discomfort. It contains menthol, which can have a soothing effect on the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract.